As you can see, I am near the zombie button. And if I press it, more zombies will come at me. And I don't want to be hurt by my zombie homies, because there are lots of homies that were killed by the police. I killed the police. There is not much of the police left, but I think I will kill the zombies. Oh, I became slow. Let me just shoot it. Should I say launch it? Launch the button. Hey, zombies! Oh, they are not my homies. They are not my homies. They do not recognize me. Hello, I am out of here. Yay! I just want to do this. See? Ouch. Ouch, that hurt. Okay, brothers, it's time to get gangster right now, and I shall turn the tide today. I don't care if zombies are coming from all around. I just want to kill them very badly. Not by the AK, not by the pistol, not by that, but by this. I'm saving up to get a machine gun. So don't you dare try to kill me. So guys, where should I climb the car? Because the ranger will not help. The ranger is not gonna help. This will help. Yeah. No more. Whee! That was cool. Did they throw any things at me? You know that things now I use the result matter. My good old friend. It is my first gun in this series. Oh, there. Bro, come over. Okay. I don't want to listen. Well, I will make them listen. I will blast them, not make them listen. Not blast. That's a cool animation. But I'm missing. You know? Yes. Let's see how many he killed himself. So guys, as you can see, I have enough money to buy the machine gun. So let's just teleport there. Right? So guys, as you can see, I have the damn thing. I have the machine gun. Finally, I unlocked it. After 3 days, guys, but I'm walking very slow. What? Oh, come on, that was a waste of money. the game also. Damn. Damn, bro. Ah, heck. I need the dude hold heat at all times. When it comes to this fat bad boy, it's very hard to like walk with it at all times. Hey bro, I'm not holding nothing, man. How does Jack even pull all this out? I wonder that. And when I pull it out, it takes this. Like what kind of thing is this? No, it's total waste of time. This is a bad idea. It works like a shotgun. I don't think I'm going to be happy with this. Yep. I'm going to need a road wall sheet at all times, right? That was the story of how I wasted all my money. Okay? Bye.